Congratulations to everyone in Post 1871 for another great year. A lot of hard work done, a lot of growth. Looking forward to another year and a lot more growth and have a little fun as well.
Congratulations, Post 1871. We had a great year, a lot of hard work, and had a lot of fun. So looking forward to next year.
Congratulations to all the Explorers on completing another year. We look forward to another good year with all of you.
Hey guys, just wanted to say good job. Proud of all the hard work this year, and I look forward to having most, if not all of you back next year. Keep up the good work.
Congratulations to the Grand Rapids Explorer Post. I look forward to what next year brings. Great job, great hard work this year, and we'll see you soon.
Congratulations to Post 1871. It's a great year, a lot of hard work, and looking forward to another good year.
Congratulations, guys. It's been a fun year, and it's been fun getting to know you guys. Let's eat!